Hello, so this is the hard course unit 1.1 part 1. So we will start with the listening and speaking. You will be able to have your we will test your listening and I will interact with you. So we'll see there's 9 units. We are in the unit 1 went to Thailand. Part 1 went to Thailand, part 1. So let's the story is there are 3 persons in this story. So the girl's name is A Yi, and then A Ming and A Wei. A Wei, A Ming. So what's the relationship between these 3 people? 佢哋係朋友 right? 兩個男仔一個女仔。You can see that it's a love story. 愛情故事. So we need to do a translation into Cantonese. So we'll see the English sentence. Okay, so we'll give you some time and I will tell the answer. It's related to the story. Okay, they were friends since they were young. Ming loves Yi very much. So for native speaker, I will translate it in my way, and then we'll see the model answer here. There's a model answer. Then I will say 阿明、阿偉、阿明同阿儀係好朋友。And then okay, rephrase it. 阿明同阿儀細個嗰陣已經係好朋友。阿明同阿偉都鍾意阿儀，阿明同阿偉都好鍾意阿儀。Alright, so I'm not 100% correct, but let's see. Let's hear.
阿儀同阿明結婚。阿儀同阿明結婚。
So that's the part 1. 阿明同阿儀結婚。結婚 married.
阿偉、阿明同阿儀好細個就係好朋友。阿偉同阿明兩個人都好鍾意阿儀。
兩個人there's a tone change. 人 or you can say 兩個人. So according to this romanization is 人，兩個人都好鍾意阿儀 but normally we'll change it like 兩個人都好鍾意阿儀. It's just help us to pronounce, like to speak faster and it sounds nicer. Okay, and so you probably get the answer. If you want to know more about how to learn through the passage, you can go to another video. So this one mainly help interaction and listening and speaking. Okay, next one. Translate into Cantonese. Yi. However, Yi loved Ming only. She only treated Wei as her close friend. 係啦，how to translate it? 你識唔識? How do you know? Okay, so we mentioned 3 persons: 阿明、阿偉、阿儀。阿儀 and 阿明is going to 結婚，會結婚。And then 阿偉just a friend. So 阿儀淨係 only 淨係鍾意阿明，但係阿儀淨係鍾意阿明。Okay, so how do you handle the second I? I'll give you some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, she only cheats Wei was her close friend. 佢淨係當阿偉係好朋友。係啦，可惜。So the sound is 可惜 like what a pity.
可惜阿儀唔鍾意阿偉，淨係鍾意阿明。阿儀淨係當阿偉係好朋友啫。
Okay, so in the learning video, I will try to explain the grammar in details and then how to make sentences as well. Okay, so the next sentence, that will be the last sentence of this listening and speaking. Later, Wei knew that Ming and Yi were going to get married. Wei was very sad. And then later is 之後 or 後來. I'll give you some time. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 好啦 ，So 阿偉知道阿明同阿怡要就嚟結婚，阿偉好唔開心，係啦，後來啦 ，So this 後來 later
後來阿偉知道阿明同阿怡好快就會結婚，佢好唔開心。
係啦，好快就會結婚。And the explanation, and then just check the other video. Alright, so we will have a discussion here. Nice, I like this. Okay, so we will say this kind of thing like 2 boys, 1 girl, or 2 girls, 1 boy is triangular love. It means like very complicated, 3 person involved. So 三角戀。三角 is triangular, and 戀 is the love affairs. Triangular love affairs. I should get affair here. 係啦，跟住咧就係this is like 你覺得阿偉，你覺得點解阿偉咁唔開心？你覺得點解阿偉咁唔開心 ？So you need to think of why. 你覺得 So in your opinion, 你覺得點解阿偉咁唔開心？係啦 ，So 咁唔開心 is so upset， 咁唔開心係啦 ，why 點解 why 好啦 ，So your answer would probably be the girl doesn't did not love him, and they are going to get married, and he will be alone. That's true 係啦 So 阿偉 because 阿偉中意阿怡 right 但係阿怡同阿明就好快就要結婚好快會結婚佢就好傷心佢就好傷心啦 So we'll call it 失戀失戀 You lost your love affair 失 is you lose 係啦失戀This is 阿偉情困情困 is a very formal word you probably find it in newspaper like 困 is to get trapped on something relationship trap love difficult 情困 This is like a literal translation okay so 情困Okay, and then 情緒受困 the extension. You extend it into 4 words, 2 words into 4 words. So the first one is more formal, and then this one is easy to understand. 情緒 is emotionally trapped, 情緒受困, and then it involved many different feelings.
情緒受困，傷心，難過。
Okay, so these 3 words is to describe that you are sad, you are emotionally trapped, and what's the difference? Like it's pretty clear. So this one is just a negative of happy. So this is feeling bad, feeling sad, miserable, and this one is really both a sad, 傷心難過 and it would be like a they are not much difference but when you're using different type of sentence you will choose probably choose 傷心 instead of 難過 so we'll see more example 好啦 同老友拍拖啊，有冇？So 同老友拍拖，你有冇試過同老友拍拖？係啦，你有冇試過？係啦，試過同老友 is your best friend， 拍拖 is a dating， 係啦，dating with your best friend，have you tried dating your best friend？ 係啦，有冇試過同老友拍拖 ？dating with a very good friend 啊，咁啊 normally 通常你嘅女朋友 probably 係你嘅女朋友，可能係你嘅好朋友 ，right？ 好朋友係啦，死黨 ，so 死黨 is like a group of boys or group of girls， 死黨like a group of friends，so 死黨係one of the friend in the group of friends. Okay, so 死黨 can be plural or singular, but it's a slang. Die hard friend, so they will kind of die for you, help you go through difficult period. So 黨 is a group or community, like okay, so 死黨黨 this 老友。
老死
係啦，老友 or you can say 老死 that's the slang as well. So like 死黨 so you can say 老死 they are the same 係啦 best friend 老友so it's very sweet that when we use 死黨 is like oh we are the same direction fighting for a better future. 老友 is friend, okay? 死黨 is like it's closer, like a community, very strong bonding. If I want to describe my very best friend, this one I will keep it in the other video. I'll just keep this one short. Okay, so the discussion finish here. Thanks. See you in another video.